Peer instruction is a student-centered approach that differs from standard lectures. The basic steps are the following. The students study the material before class through online readings or videos. During class, the instruction asks carefully constructed multiple-choice questions designed to promote higher-level reasoning or address frequent misconceptions. Students answer individually using clickers. Students then discuss their answer in small groups, attempting to reach a consensus. After discussion, they can change their answers based on their group exchange. Research shows that PI has several advantages. Firstly, students become active participants and not just passive listeners. When the students explain the concepts to each other, it solidifies their own knowledge. Finally, students are required to justify their reasoning, and so which develops their ability to think critically. PI is adaptable to various disciplines. It originated in physics. However, it's now used to train physicians as well as other health professionals. Our workshop will help you apply PI effectively. Specifically, we will go deeper into the following: creating effective questions, facilitating productive group discussion, using technology tools for PI, and assessment strategy using PI.